Create a group email address. Welcome to M365 Professional. When you create a group, you create essential email address and a place to collaborate. You can use this to provide an email address, like sales or info that everyone can access. Let's look at how to set it up. In Outlook, go to the Groups section and select New Group. Type in a name for your group. You can change the email address to something shorter like info. Enter a description for the group. Select Edit and choose if you want the group to be private or public. Decide if members will automatically receive all group communications in their inbox. Then select Create. To add members to the group, search for them and select them. Repeat until all members have been added. Then select Add. To allow external users, such as your customers, to send email to the group address, select the group. Settings. Edit Group. Select the box for Let people outside the organization email the groups. Then save your settings. Now you can share your group email with your customers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.